Busugeras, by Skanda and by Mike.
Magbusugera, mag-savor sulit. Busog nyo, so day 99 na lang.
All day, daming choices.
Magbusugera, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Cheesy egg desal, longganisa, cheeseburger, chicken mackerel.
99 pesos na lang nationwide.
Magbusugera,
Magsavor sulit busog meals all day para
magbusugera.
Cheesy egg desal and longganisa only available during breakfast hours. Magsavor sulit busog meals, 99 pesos na lang. All stores nationwide.
Welcome to Paraiso, where we take pride in producing quality beer for the mortal world. Paraiso Beer. Paraiso Lakas. Full-bodied, rich at smooth. Paraiso Bighani. Citrusy, aromatic at refreshing. Tikman at lasapin ang sarap ng Paraiso Beer. Try it today. A taste of Paraiso. Drink responsibly.
Paraiso Beer, a taste of Paraiso.
Yeah, Primo, breakfast.
Big day today, Dad.
Then you need a Bigatin sandwich. Lady's Choice ham spread, made with real ham and farm fresh eggs. Meaty busog.
Sarap.
Ready na?
Busog pa.
Starts at 12 pesos SRP.
Hi, I'm Dulce, your Asia's Power singing diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mag-MX3 araw-araw para MX-Traordinary.
MX3 capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas-iwas sa sakit.
Sa ika-4 na sunod na taon, nakamit ng GMA Network ang highest brand trust rating sa 2024 Digital News Report ng Reuters Institute. GMA pa rin ang nangungunang news brand sa TV, radyo at print media sa bansa. Nakakuha rin ng pinakamataas na trust score among radio brands ang Super Radio DZBB at ang GMA News Online. Nananatili pa rin most trusted online news source ng mga Pilipino for the 4th consecutive year. Maraming salamat po sa inyong buong pusong pagtitiwala sa GMA Integrated News, ang News Authority ng Filipino.
Sa Double B!